Hello everyone, I'm Mrs. Legrottaglie and I welcome you to our History CLIL lesson about the fascinating reign of Frederick II and his impact on the Kingdom of Sicily. This lesson is designed to provide you with a deeper understanding of this important historical figure and period. Over the next 3 hours, we'll talk about the history of Frederick II and his kingdom in the south of Italy, focusing on the crucial theme of tolerance. We'll use collaborative learning methodology, brainstorming and even role-playing, according to the idea of learning by doing. By the end of this lesson, you'll enhance your literacy, multilingual, social and citizenship skills and the learning to learn competence. You'll also develop a strong understanding of Frederick II's impact, cultivate awareness of tolerance and expand your historical vocabulary in English. Let's start by activating what we already know. Think about Frederick II, the Holy Roman Empire, and southern Italy during the Middle Ages. We'll brainstorm together and then create a map on the digital board to visualize these connections. Understanding key vocabulary is crucial. We'll define terms like emperor, tolerance, diplomacy, and constitution. We'll also explore concepts like multiculturalism and melting pot and the role of the court. Now, let's reinforce our understanding with a fun activity. We'll use a memory game on learningapps.org. The challenge is to match each term with its correct definition. This interactive exercise will solidify your knowledge of the key vocabulary of this historical topic. Let's begin by exploring the life of Frederick II. Listen to me and read the text I gave you as a support. He was a fascinating figure, a Holy Roman Emperor who significantly impacted his time. In fact, he was called Stupa Mundi, the wonder of the world. He promoted science, law and an intercultural dialogue in his kingdom. His rule in southern Italy was marked by significant reforms to centralize the emperor's authority in the constitutions of Melfi. His court in Sicily, Lucania and Apulia was a melting pot of cultures. Frederick was also known for his tolerance. In fact, during the Sixth Crusade, unlike other rulers, he did not use violence. He used diplomacy to negotiate with the Muslim leader Al-Kamil, and in 1229 he was crowned king of Jerusalem. Because of these and other conflicts with the Pope, he was excommunicated 3 times. Now, let's work together. In groups, represent different members of Frederick's court and prepare a dialogue through a role-playing methodology. We are at the end. In the final phase of our lesson, let's reflect on Frederick II's example. What can we learn from his example today? Why is tolerance still important in our society? Share your ideas on Padlet. Then we can discuss about the current situation in the world. At the end, the teacher has to evaluate students for content, argumentation, participation and critical thinking dimensions in a scale from 0 to 10. This is our lesson about Frederick II and the principle of tolerance. Thanks for your attention. Bye.